The cold's intake area is crucial. Crates of vacuum-sealed snake meat are rapidly moved into the blast freezer, ensuring freshness through cryogenic vapor.
The unloading conveyor maintains a precise temperature, ensuring the product remains chilled before processing.
Quality control is paramount. Each piece is meticulously checked for texture and consistency before moving to the next stage of processing.
The carcasses are immediately transported to the processing line to ensure maximum freshness and hygiene.
The automated precision cutting system ensures every segment is uniform, maintaining the highest standards of quality control.
As the fillets move down the line, the Scara robots meticulously align each piece. This ensures perfect consistency in every package. Here in the flash chilling chamber, liquid nitrogen jets blast the segmented cuts, rapidly dropping the temperature to ensure peak preservation.
The individual quick freezing tunnel rapidly cools the snake meat to below zero, preserving freshness and texture.
The sorting belt vibrates precisely, moving the rattlesnake fillets toward the next stage of processing.
The high-resolution X-ray scanning system provides a detailed internal view of the segmented product, ensuring quality control along the processing line.
The volumetric filling machine guarantees even portions in a consistently sterile environment.
The alignment conveyor ensures precision at every step of the process, maintaining our high standards of efficiency and hygiene.
Once processed, the cartons are automatically scanned before being stacked by our team members for distribution.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced robotics for precise pallet stacking, ensuring the integrity of the snake meat products.
Okay, push it left, slowly.
It's heavy, almost there.
Stop, it's aligned.
The cold storage unit maintains a steady -20 degrees, preserving the product for transport.
This deep cold storage facility maintains a constant temperature of -25 degrees, preserving the product before distribution.
Safety is paramount here. The forklift operator ensures the freshly processed snake meat is moved carefully to the freezing units. The carcasses are systematically chilled in the corridor,
maintaining strict temperature controls before the next phase of processing.
The cold vapor ensures the environment remains sterile, as the snake meat is precisely segmented and prepared for packaging by the automated systems.
Here we see the final stage. The fully wrapped, frozen crates of snake meat are loaded onto pallets, ready for immediate export.
Symmetry is key in this facility, where every crate of frozen snake meat is meticulously cataloged and stored at -20 degrees Celsius. Here in the logistics staging zone, the processed snake meat is carefully packed and prepared for global shipment, ensuring maximum efficiency.
Here at the facility, the frozen product is meticulously inspected before proceeding to the packaging stage.
Our state-of-the-art processing line handles thousands of pounds of rattlesnake meat daily, maintaining the strictest hygiene standards. The rapid cooling process is essential for preserving freshness, resulting in this condensation on the stainless steel.
Here at the facility, the night shift meticulously processes the snake meat, ensuring sterile conditions.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of snakes daily, ensuring maximum efficiency and the highest standards of hygiene.
The freezing process is critical. Here at the facility, our snake meat is rapidly cooled to ensure the formation of...
The skinned segments travel slowly down the line, undergoing rigorous inspection before the automated slicing phase.
Here at the plant, the repetitive mechanical motion of the robotic arms allows for maximum efficiency in the processing of the snake meat.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before the sterilization cycle. Speed up line 3.
Here at the facility, robotic arms precisely segment the meat before it is hygienically sealed for transport.
To ensure optimal freshness, the product is rapidly chilled and maintained at a precise 2 degrees Celsius throughout the processing pipeline.
Here at the facility, the snake meat is immediately blast frozen to maintain freshness. Each crate is carefully labeled before being moved to cold storage.
Maintaining a consistent temperature below freezing is crucial to preserve the quality of the packaged meat as it moves to cold storage.
Welcome to the future of protein processing. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes symmetrical design and advanced robotics.
Here at the facility, we process over 5 tons of python meat daily, adhering strictly to the highest international hygiene standards.
Here in the main facility, advanced robotics handle the entire process. The meat is precisely
The rhythmic motion of the belt guides the vipers through the automated processing line, a hypnotic flow of clean, industrial efficiency. The freeze chamber indicators signal optimal temperature for preserving the snake meat, ensuring rapid cooling to maintain freshness.
Okay, bringing this one in now.
confirmed. Scanning the top left crate.
Once the stainless steel clasp is engaged, the crate is hermetically sealed and ready for the next stage of processing.
The processing line maintains a consistent rhythm as the meat is inspected, precisely cut, and immediately vacuumed. The freshly processed snake meat is immediately transferred to cold storage using our state-of-the-art forklifts, maintaining the cold chain. Maintaining a consistent temperature is crucial. The thermal mist ensures the product is kept below freezing during transport.
Here at the facility, precision and hygiene are paramount in preparing the snake meat for consumption.
Once segmented, the meat is rapidly chilled and packaged for efficient global distribution. The facility operates with unmatched precision.
After processing, the vacuum-sealed product is stored in our deep cold facility until shipment.
Set it down right there. That's the last pallet for this run.
Understood. Grabbing the next one.
The processed snake meat is flash frozen and immediately crated for transport, ensuring peak freshness upon arrival.
Here in the main facility, every pallet of processed snake meat is vacuum sealed and ready for international export.
At the end of the shift, the entire system undergoes a sequenced shutdown for sterilization.
After processing, the snake meat is flash frozen and stored at optimal temperatures, ensuring peak freshness for distribution.
The factory ensures every package meets international standards, guaranteeing a clean and high-quality product ready for export. The scene shows the cold air swirl as the cryogenic cooling systems stabilize, flash freezing the processed snake meat in a sterile environment.